Okay, so I'm going to do a quick sketch of Willy from the Dream Machine, the book that I've been working on. It's easy to forget how to draw characters, and as weird as that sounds, it is very, at least for me, I mean, because I finished the illustrations and then I had to come back to it. So for Willy, I do a little bit of an oval. Let me start that again. So I start with an oval with a center line, and I make this circle, or this other oval around the middle, and then I come off with the nose. And I do sort of a long triangle off the nose like that. I follow through that mouth. It's got a big mouth. His cheek would be here. So now I'm just going to do this line just to sort of give me a base of where I'm going to sketch the eyes. So they don't have to be as close as Kincaid's. They can be a little bigger. There's one there. There's one there. We'll make them looking off to the side for now. I'll make this area that's the eye socket area like I always do. So he has a nice flat head as well. But this part comes off like that. And he has two of these little and let's make his mouth open as well. We'll give him some little teethies. His little tongue here. He has a very dark bottom lip. Oops, I can get rid of some of this interference here. He has some markings go like that. So now he has these big ears too, so I'm going to make these big ears that would be behind him. Well, that's kind of too big actually. Make them up here. That looks good. So we'll make the other one here. Actually, we'll make this higher. And we'll get rid of the previous one. I kind of want to keep these balanced. I mean, it's a little not. I mean, this one is going up a little high, but I think that's okay. Because he's smiling, so that's okay. Okay. Felt like his eye was a little too... Gotta make sure those eyes are even. Because if the eyes aren't even, then he'll look weird. Like his eyes are even starting to look a little funny. So sometimes I'll just redo it. Okay, let's try this again. We'll make this one here. This one about here. It's a little bit better. Let me adjust this just a little bit. Let me adjust the whole eye. That's a little bit better. I'm going to match the size of the iris as well. Okay, that's a little bit more acceptable, because it was definitely not acceptable before. Try to match the size of those eyes too. It's really important. Okay. I'll take that. So let's make him, let's tilt this back a little bit, like so. Let's see if we can make him walking too. There's a little back foot. And we'll do this just like we did Kincaid. Give him some. Okay, that looks all right. Do his little markings. Give him his little belly. Now for his arms, let's see, this arm should be back. Let me erase some of this just so I have some room for his little fist. Okay, there's one, and now the other one would be, actually this arm should have been up, right? So this arm probably should have been up, and this arm should have been back, but since this arm is up, let's we'll make him holding something. We'll make him saying hello to us. How's that? So I'm going to start out with his hand, actually. So it goes here, here. His hand would be probably around here. We'll give him his little wolfy little wolfy peace sign. Let's clean this up a little bit. Yeah, that's cute. Oops. And his head is way too big, which is a common theme for me. So I'll just shrink it. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. And just clean this up a little bit. Give him some personality. Thicken this up a little bit. And I think he's looking pretty good. I'll just give him a little color. Give him a little color in here, his mouth. Give him a little eyeshadow. Well, not that eyeshadow, but you know what I mean. And I'll just... Oh, let me check his colorings so I don't get it wrong. Yeah, his arms are black. That's all white. Oh, I forgot his tail. How can I forget his tail? What's up with that? Okay, so I feel like the tail would be happy, so I feel like that's a good... His arms are actually really dark up to the elbows. So I'll make his arms really dark up to the elbows, and then I'll just do a lighter color here. Lighter color here. And then I think his feet get pretty dark again. So I'll make sure that it's different than the other values, color values. You got his little tail. Okay, and now we have Willy. So let's bring this guy back. Bring Kincaid back. Whoops. And let's see if we can... Let's do this. Let's put this on a different layer. So I'll cut and paste. And we'll have our two little rascals. And Kincaid is smaller than Willy. So we'll make Kincaid a little smaller. And we'll add some clouds. And a little atmosphere. And then we have little Willy and Kincaid. I love these little characters. And yeah, hopefully that was that was interesting, and I might do some more little quick sketches like this. I'm really trying to make them quick and stay loose. So hope you guys like that. Thanks as always for coming by and for all the support and all the lovely words. I appreciate you guys. So yeah, once again, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave, and don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.